guys, welcome to another piano lesson. I saw today I'm teaching how to play break every chain. All right, it's okay. So I play the song normally, then I do the full piano tutorial. There is power in the name of Jesus. There is power in the name of Jesus. There is power in the name of Jesus. Oh, to break every chain, 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 to break every chain. Oh, there is an army rising up. There is an army rising up. Oh, to break every chain, to break every chain, to break every chain, to break every chain, break every chain, to break every chain. Ooh, there is power in the name of. There is power in the name of Jesus. Alright guys, so that's all about the song. It's a very simple chord progression. So it's just the chord progression is 6, that's A minor, 4, that's F major, 1, that's C major, and we have 5, that is F, G major. Then we come back to the 6. Alright, so we are playing the key of C. So there is power, okay? Power. A, C, E, in the name of. Go to the 4, that's F, A, C, Jesus. Alright, C major. Oh, okay. G, B, Z. Go again. There is power in the name of Jesus. Okay, to break every chain, the same thing. To break is like a 2, 1 is 2 ratio. To break every, so you play it twice, alright? To break every chain, to break every chain, to break every chain. So every chord, major chord, you play every chord that you're playing, you play it twice. To break every chain, to break every chain, to break every chain. Oh, to break every 6, to break every 4, to break every 1, to break every 5. Then the second verse, there's an army rising up. So it's pretty much the same chords, alright? So just adding this sweet emotional chord 7 there. So I just played it in a very simple way that we could get the chord progression, and that's it guys. So I hope you learned something guys. Do subscribe to my channel for more videos. God bless you.